So hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about live coding question of Java. So what I'm doing like I'm solving all the Java coding questions so that it may help you in your OPP. So first I'm going to discuss question number 1 and then going through all the question. So let me first discuss about first question. So first I will make explain the question. So in this question is asking to write a Java program that create 3 objects of a student and print the name of a student with highest total. Implement the code as follows, right? So in this problem, what the main problem is like the we are getting 3 object of a student as an array, and we have to return that a student which have the highest total marks, right? For that, what we need to do, we need to create a student class which have the instance variable a string name and array of marks, and the type of marks is double, and then we have to initialize a constructor for the inside the instance variable, then assessor method which is also known as a set like a getter method, get name which will return the name of that particular student or method object, and then we have to define find total method, and after the we have to define a class test which have the get max method and the main method, right? In the get max method, what we need to do, we need to return the name of that student which have the highest total marks, and in main method we have to inside the three of a student object and store them in an array and invoke the method get max by passing that student. Like this is the main problem, like we will get this type of problem, and we will also get some this type of template code. So what we need to do, we do not need to like write all the code, we have to only fill this code. Like here he is asking like add your code for class student, so we will define class student here and get max method here. Okay, so first what the is like we have to create a student class. For that we will write class student, and a student has two instance variable. First one is a string name and second one is like array of marks, right? And then what we need to do in second is asking to write a constructor to inside the instance variable. So how to inside the constructor, same name with the class, and then we will take some parameter, a string name and marks array, and then what we will do, this dot name equal to name and this dot marks equal to marks, right? And we have done with the constructor. Now what we have to do, we have to define a assessor method which will return the name of the particular student. So public a string get name, and what will this return this dot name. Okay, or only name will also work, but I'm doing with this dot name. And after what is saying, it is saying like define a find total method that return the total marks of a student. Okay, so what we need to do for this, we need to do like we have to traverse with the marks array of the particular student, and whatever we will get marks in the array we will add in the total, and at the end of the traversal we will return that total value, right? So for that, public double and find total. So first we have to initialize the total, so double total equal to what, 0.0 something, and for double marks. So what we need to do, total plus equal to mark. Okay, and at the end of the loop we have to return total. Okay, what will do it will like return the total total marks of the particular student. Okay, yeah, so we have done with the student class. We need to define the get max in get max method in the test. So in this, what we are getting the array of a student object, and in that we have to return only that student who have the highest marks, right? So how to do, we have to traverse on the student object array, and in that, so first what we need to define, we need to define double highest marks is equal to double dot mean value, right? Mean value. Yeah, so we need to define a mean value and a string to store the name of the student, name with highest marks, right, equal to us empty string, and then we will traverse over the student object array. So how we are getting, yeah, so first we have to define public and the string get max, yeah, traverse over the student object array, student yes in, so in this we will get an array object array, and then in each student object we have to check like if the total of that student is greater than whatever we have in size, then we will update both highest marks and name with the highest marks, right? So what we'll do, if s dot find total is greater than whatever we have in size, then what we'll do, we will initialize both highest marks is equal to s dot find total and name with highest mark is equal to s dot get name, get, yeah, get name method, sorry, s dot get name, and at the end of traversal we will return the name with highest marks, right? So yeah, we have done with our coding, so let me run and test run and see what the output is. I think it will get error because of this one, and expected public string get max, why did we expected public string get max of array, I think, yeah, get max we are calling with array, and double highest marks, this one is correct, this one is also correct, so where we are getting what expected, let me see, if we are close, 4 close, yeah, so why we are getting error, because of double, we have to, this is not double, this is a student, because we are getting, we are like getting array of the student object, so yeah, now it will work, I think it should work, yeah, the error is non-static, yeah, we have to public static, yeah, we have to do a static method because we are calling from the static method the get max, yeah, this one is the all the test cases passes, so we will submit and see, yeah, all the private test cases also passes, so we have done with the first problem. Let's proceed with the second problem.